Hello, I'm in a 2008 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from here, the driver's side, you're going to find this symbol, and right below it's a lever to pull. Heard a little pop, and you should feel a little resistance, but that pop was the safety being released. So on the back side of this, if it's helpful, there's like a cable here. You can kind of see it, but if this cable's gone or not attached or super loose for some reason, you'll need to go in and get it attached properly, so this will work. Now that that's released, go back up to the front. It should be kind of loose now that that safety was pulled. Most cars, your release lever's kind of in here. This one, we're going to push this way and lift up. So push that way, lift it up. So that's part of where it was hooked onto. From here, that's what that looks like. If you're having issues with this part, possibly your hood's out of alignment, or this piece is not straight for some reason, or same with this part, it could be out of alignment, so it needs adjusted. Or you've got maybe some debris caught in here, need some WD-40 to loosen this up. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.